7 easy steps growing basil from seeds. What do we need? Soil bed, black compost, red sandy soil, fertilizer, sprayer and shovel. For video purposes, we use empty pot as a soil bed. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the seeds. Soon what? Basil seeds. Step 2. Prepare the soil bed. Fill in 3 parts of compost, mix with 2 parts of red sandy soil and 1 part of fertilizers. Mix it well. Step 3. How to germinate seeds. Basil seeds. Sow seeds directly onto soil. Place 2 seeds per hole. The distance between holes is 10 centimeters. Step 4. Add thin layer of compost and keep soil moist. Add thin layer of compost. Sprinkle water to keep soil moist. Step 5. Thin out sick, old plants and remove weeds. Weed regularly to ensure healthy plants growth. Make sure the soil is well drained. Step 6. Fertilizer application. Fertilizers help plants optimum growth and development. Recommended fertilizer after 7 days is 100 grams. 14 days after sowing is 50 grams. Step 7. Ready to harvest. After 40 days is time to harvest. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends.